I welcome you once again to the second session of e-commerce systems. In first session, already we have discussed what do you mean by e-commerce, what do you mean by e-business, what is the difference between e-commerce and e-business. We have discussed even e-commerce business models. And also we discussed a little bit regarding what do you mean by digital marketing. In continuation with that, we are going to engage the second session which is related to e-commerce systems. In this session, we are going to discuss about what do you mean by digital marketing, what are its types, what are its objectives, and what is digital goods or electronic goods, and at last we are going to discuss what do you mean by mobile e-commerce or simply mobile commerce. Start the session. First of all, let us understand what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a marketing technique that makes use of certain electronic devices to engage with stakeholders or customers. The electronic devices might be the smartphones, computers, laptops, or simply the personal digital assistants. These electronic devices must be having the capability to interact with a computer network through which we are able to perform the online transactions. In a previous session, we discussed how digital marketing works. Digital marketing makes use of several tools like search engine optimization. It uses certain tools to promote our business activities. For example, content marketing, viral marketing, social marketing, and so on. Let us understand what are the types of digital marketing. Digital marketing makes use of certain tools like video campaigns, Wikipedias, social medias, bloggings, forums, and so on. Through this we can perform the business activities. If we compare with a video campaign, so here I am going to make use of a YouTube video to promote my product. So this is what one type of a digital marketing. Here I am promoting my product through video campaigns. Similarly, I can go for certain Wikipedias through which we can highlight the product specifications or features. Similarly, I can make use of a certain social media networks, for example, Facebook, Twitters, Instagrams to promote my product. Through this, I am able to engage or I am able to communicate with the customers. Similarly, we can go for photo sharing options, we can go for bloggings, through that I can create newsletters, I can go for forums, I can go for social bookmarkings and so on. These are what different types of digital marketing. What are the objectives of digital marketing? As digital marketing makes use of database marketing technique, so here to reach the right audience, we are going to collect the database which are really interested in buying our products, so that we can avoid unnecessary coverage of the customer database. So here we can reach the right audience, we can say. And also as the customers are able to share their immediate feedback here, so it helps our customers to motivate to take the action. It also helps to engage with our audience. And whatever the cost we are going to pay for the digital campaign, what we are using in digital marketing, it might be the video campaign or it might be the Wikipedia or it might be through the social medias. So these campaigns costs very less in the market if we compare with the traditional campaigning services. So these are the objectives of digital marketing. What are digital goods? Digital goods are also called as electronic goods. The goods that can be delivered over a digital network is called as digital goods or electronic goods. The cost of a delivery over the internet is very low here, because as a digital marketing is going to reduce the supply chain management. It is going to avoid unnecessary intermediary parties here, so that whatever the cost we are going to pay for the intermediaries, that can be avoided and that can be benefited to the customers here. So that's why the cost of delivery of these goods is very minimum. Mainly, these digital goods can be classified into two types. Those are nothing but hard goods, and another one is soft goods. Hard goods are nothing but the goods which are tangible in nature. The availability of goods can be seen. We can touch and feel the availability of the goods here. For example, suppose if I am going to purchase the cloth material, if I am going to purchase the food materials online, so these goods are coming under what? Hard goods. And what do you mean by soft goods? These soft goods are also called as the bits delivered online. These goods are intangible in nature. We cannot see the availability of these goods. These goods we cannot touch, or we cannot feel the availability of such goods. For example, suppose if I am going to download the music tracks, if I am going to download the videos online, if I am going to download electronic newspapers, if I am going to download electronic books, if I download the softwares which are subscription based, all these goods are bits delivered online. These are intangible in nature. So such goods are coming under soft goods. Let's understand what you mean by mobile electronic commerce, or simply it can also be called as m-commerce or mobile commerce. Mobile commerce is a term that describes online transactions that use wireless electronic devices such as handheld computers, mobile phones, smartphones, laptops, personal digital assistants, etc. Of course, these wireless electronic devices are having the capabilities to interact with a computer network. Through this, we can perform online transactions very easily. Nowadays, there are so many m-commerce based applications are available, which makes customers very happy. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, these are the m-commerce based applications through which customers can perform online transactions. These m-commerce applications will be beneficial for the customers because customers can perform these online transactions at any time and from anywhere. These will reduce the pain of visiting the physical store, or these will help to save the time of the consumer. So these are related to m-commerce. With this, I am going to conclude my video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, kindly please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you one and all.